Hello again. This video demonstrates the use of a sun angle calculator spreadsheet. Like all of the spreadsheet tutorials in this class, or most of them at least, there is a screen that shows you something about the spreadsheet, sort of a help window. There's a main input-output window, and like many of them, there are some extra windows for other visualizations. So in this spreadsheet, we can enter red numbers only, please. The latitude and longitude, Houston being around, I think we're using the 28 degree protractor for most of us, 95 degrees longitude. Magnetic deviation is for the difference between where the compass points and where true north is. So in Houston, we're about 7 degrees off. This particular window is facing 10 degrees east of south. We could make that 45 degrees east of south, and this assumes magnetic compass reading for the window. If I have a true compass reading, then I would enter 0 for magnetic deviation. So given a magnetic orientation for the window, I need to know the magnetic deviation of the compass to get the correct orientation. Window slope, let's leave vertical. Then I can enter the month and the day, and if I'm on daylight savings, between when it starts in the spring to when it ends in the fall, I have to enter -1 there to correct between clock time and solar time. For outputs, we get the calculation of the standard meridian given the local longitude, the Earth's declination, its tilt towards or away from the plane of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, the equation of time for the day in question, how long the day is in hours and minutes from sunrise to sunset, and the time of sunrise and sunset in clock time. So the tabular output shows you clock and solar time across the day, symmetrical about solar noon. Don't worry about the hour angle, the solar altitude and solar azimuth, the window azimuth, the profile angle, the incidence angle, and the air mass. Now the air mass, remember, when the solar altitude is lower than 15 degrees, the sun's very low in the sky, then we're going to have air mass greater than 5. So you see plotted on here that air mass, this heavy line, is plotted against this y-axis, where the other angles are plotted against this first y-axis, and solar time of the day plotted across here. For clarity of data, you can look at just the solar angles, including the air mass, or just the window angles. On the input screen, you have all of that information overlaid in one plot. If you have any questions, please put them out there on the discussion postings, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you.